Welcome to the Kidslicious Cooking Time channel, and today we will be showing you how to make an oat biscuit that is very healthy, and it's very simple to make and it's very easy. And I'm Aiden, I'm 8 years old, and this is my little brother. His name is Liam and he's 3 years old. So the ingredients will be plain flour, baking powder, oat, sugar, golden syrup, and butter, and milk. And you could replace, if you have so this is gluten-free and wheat-free and milk-free. You could replace this. So you don't need this one, you could put this one. But for today, we're going to put this one. And you could replace this and this. But today, we're going to use this one. But you can replace it if you want. So now we are going to put flour. So it's 75 kilograms?
Grams.
Grams, yes, I mean grams. Okay. So let's see. So I put it 50. So let's put 25 more. Okay, let's see if this is going to be 25.
No, it's 40. It's too much.
Okay.
You need to put less.
Yes, we need to put less. Thank you.
No problem. A little bit more.
Okay. I'm just getting a bit of help.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yes. So now we have 75 grams. So now we are going to put 1 cup baking powder. Okay, so let's get our baking powder here. So it's 1 spoon of baking powder. Just getting a bit of help here because I'm not good at this. So now we put this. And now we put 75 oat in. So let's get the oat right here. Okay, so now let's dip it. Just wait.
23.
Yeah?
25. How much is that?
It's
23 with 25.
Yeah.
How much is that? 48.
Okay, so
48 plus 22?
75. I think. No.
75 now.
We're a bit done. Okay, so we have a messy table.
That's fine.
Yeah, because it is fine.
Now 50 grams of sugar.
So we will now put 50 grams of sugar.
A little bit less because 50 grams is too much.
Yes.
Let me see. 30 grams.
Just getting a bit of help. This is just our first video, so I'll just probably need a bit of help. So now we will put that there.
Then 70 grams of
So
butter.
let's get 75 grams of butter. We'll just play with the thing. No. So this is 75 grams, just saying. And now we put it on the pot, or if we need some more. Then now we put it there.
Yeah.
Yep.
And butter is done. And now the
Yes.
gold syrup.
The gold syrup, we're using it right now.
You can put inside here because we are going to put.
So we're going to fill this big spoon with golden syrup.
Yeah, that's enough.
Now that's enough. So now we close it and put it back where we put it.
And 2 spoons of milk.
Now let's put it back there and let's get the milk. So now get a grown-up to heat up the oven. So let's ask a grown-up.
Let's mix the ingredients all together. Now put aside.
So now we put all of these in here.
Nice.
And now we will mix it. No, we won't mix it. So just be careful not to mix it. So we're just waiting. It's a bit There's a grown-up just doing something. So now we are going to put that in.
I will because it's hot.
Yes. So ask grown-up to do it. No children is allowed to do it. That's one safety. Now my brother just stole the thing, so now he's gonna do it himself. Let's ask the grown-up if it's done. Is it done?
Let's see. Yeah.
Yes. So the grown-up said it's done. So now we are going to make a circle with this. So make sure it's like this. So now we will do this, right? Then we get it with our bare hands, and then we just make it flat. And then we just make a circle. We don't need to make it perfect. It could be like this. And then Liam, your turn. Let's give you a smaller one. Now I will keep doing it while he does it. Liam's one is perfect. Now put it right here.
Yeah, right here.
We are done doing the bulb here. Now we will ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for us. So make sure, please ask your parent or grown-up or whoever's in your house to do it for you, to make sure you won't burn your hands. Here, so now we have our biscuits. It's very healthy, so we will have to wait 5 minutes. So now we are going to put the biscuits in this glass pot. So now we are going to try the biscuit and let's see if it's good. It's very good. You should try it when you are done. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video. And turn the notifications on. And bye. See you next time.